Tier 1 is basically qualitative, identifying a particular compound. Tier 2, after identifying, you go into quantification of that substance. So Tier 2 was not performed, but Tier 1 of identifying these compounds were all obtained.
You obtained?
Yes. As
But outlight is yes or no, and the inverter will have no. I think it suggests you need to say it again.
I did not perform Tier 2, quantifying each compound.
Of which compound?
Detected.
You did quantify.
We detected the compound, but I did not perform Tier 2.
What of it? Judge, you didn't, because there's a problem there.
I detected this, the machine detected the presence of these chemical compounds.
But you didn't quantify.
That is called qualitative analysis.
That's okay.
And these are the compounds. Tier 2 is going further to quantify each particular compound.
Exactly. We're taking those as the gene observation. So you keep an eye on this one. Actually, that's the simple thing. Number 4. I mean, that's a thing. On page,
And the same station, and given the same laboratory number.
Okay. So you just assume it is submitted by the same person?
It's the same.
Why? Why do you assume? You just answer the question. Are the particulars of the person who submitted indicated there?
That's the CRP, the station, and our stamp, the stamp of forensic data.
You are dodging the question, my friend. So,
And the laboratory number is there indicated.
what of the particulars of the person who submitted?
Indicated on other pages.
Yeah, just like the lab number is on the other page, you should have adopted the same. So you agree with me the particulars are not there? Hmm? Hmm?
There are various analysis, and we have performed meeting session, and we did organic analysis of, and we identify significant organic components that are present.
F. Indicated. What's the blood in the Lord?
No, my Lord, the name is
Yeah. So, wouldn't we be right to assume that actually this one was a Bible? You just chipped it in.
no, my Lord.
Hmm? Yeah, but you don't rule it out. Someone knows he has brought 3 items, D, E, F. This particular F, they are all actually which formed the basis of your analysis. Is not, the particulars are not indicated. Why don't we believe that actually it was the Bible?
My Lord, we analyzed the sample when we opened the envelope. Exhibit was present and labeled M.
Being present is one thing. Who presented them? Who presented it? Okay. I will save you that, but at least you agree with me it's not there. All right. And we talked about D. When you look at D, and even going by your report, I think, at the end of it all, annex. You look at your reports. I know that is the thing that is sounds good. 21. At the end, the annex. I'm saying, can you read for us annex? Are you there? On your report?
On page,
It is page 7 of 9.
it shows a picture frame and the submitted evidence related to the case.
And what do you have under A?
A, photograph showing packaging material.
Okay, D. No, under C.
Under C, photograph showing exhibit material.
Which is?
D,
Which was the
green mat.
Okay. So would that be right to say that at the time you are doing this analysis, the examination, you had the opportunity also to look at the pictures that have been taken?
Yes, my lord, we take pictures, submitted items.
No.
You had the opportunity also to look at the pictures of the doormat and the towels.
Yes, my lord.
They also,
taken at the scene.
yeah, the ones that taken at the
These
scene.
pictures are taken from the lab.
Eh? They are taken from the lab.
Yes, after opening
Oh.
the items. We take out in-house.
Okay, there were pictures taken from the lab. Okay. Now, this particular F, when you talk of same sort of suspected powdered material, I didn't have access to look at in shortcut the powder form. Were you able to confirm, to quantify how many grams they were? Or it is the material you can use as minimum as 10 grams or 15? How much do you use to get the results you want, the desired results?
We sample.
So,
We sample.
so you sampled that substance,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, and formed the basis of your analysis. And looking at that particular substance taken into your report, the methodology. Are you there? I think it's your paragraph 4.
ebikwata ku mmere agamba nti oba tutuuseeko mu kaseera akatono tebirina buzibu naye bwe bivaawo kiyinza okufuuka byabulabe gamba nti eddagala eddala lyebakozesa nga balongoosa bantu nga baagala kubasiisa era olwotuba nga otuuse kumpi oyinza okuzirika bagamba nti erala lizinza okukulumya omutwe n'owulira akamuguze n'owulira oyagala okusesema n'okuddukana oba ofunye eddagala eryo nga bulungi gamba nti eddala liyinza okuleetera omubiri okubeera nga gukusibwa n'amaaso agamba nti ate ekyo kiyinza okwoyoona ensigo omutima n'ebitundu ebirala eby'omubiri eddala n'agamba nti lyo ate lyali liwunya nnyo nga lyebasiba okukozesa mu makolero nga bakola n'eddagala ly'ebiwuka mbwa nti ate nalyo liyinza okukosa amaaso n'omubiri agamba nti lyo n'eddagala lyebasangamu lyali lyabulabe ate ekyo ebitona basangamu kompawuda oba ekizibu kyetuyise F.
Is that all you have for this one? So it's coming back to the second.
Nebasengejja ne balyoka ne bateeka mu mashini naye nti bakebera ekizibu kikefu lyali pawuda era bwe bakikebera yakituuma erinnya T 036Y22S001 nga lyerinnya lyakijjanjuwadde bwe yatoolako n'ateekamu eddagala erimu, bwe yateekamu eddagala erimu nerisengejja n'ateeka mu kantu akalala n'aleka n'ateeka mu mashini. Bwe yateeka mu mashini nti n'asangamu eddagala ery'enjawulo nga bw'abadde alisoma, n'agamba nti ekyali E na D dowamati n'obutawero tebasobola kwekebejja olw'ensonga nti bali beetaaga ekyuma ekirala ate eseera ebyo bali tebakirina mu labu yaabwe.
Yes, we are talking about the effect of hydroperoxide. That's why it's going to be
También el día de la